Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for an absolutely fabulous mirror that is going to freshen up the space in your bathroom, you're going to love this one that I got from TokeShimi. This medicine cabinet mirror has such an amazingly sleek and modern look to it. We decided to go ahead and mount it on the wall because not only does it have a front mirror, but it has mirrors on all sides and on the inside of the door and on the inside of the cabinet. It is really cool. This comes so well packed. You can have total peace of mind knowing that when it gets to you, it's not going to be damaged at all. The clarity on this mirror makes me so happy. It makes it so easy to be able to see, hey, what part of my hair needs adjusting, or what area of my makeup did I maybe miss out on? I was able to put it together and install it almost entirely by myself in about 45 minutes. The only time I did need a second person is when I went to hang it. So this comes with pre-installed hanging brackets, which makes installation a lot easier. There are adjustable storage shelves so that you can choose exactly the right space for whatever it is that you want to put in there. The frame of this mirror is a rust-resistant aluminum alloy, and that really ensures that it's going to last for a long time. You're not going to have to worry about having a plastic frame that might crack or weaken over time, but this is really going to be amazing for long-term use. You cannot go wrong with the quality of the image and the mirror itself, and that's my point of view.